Meanwhile, in Indonesia for the month of March, annual inflation levels continues its downward trend, dropping below 5% to 4.97%. However, on a month-to-month basis, inflation has risen slightly amid the start of the Muslim holy month of Ramadan, which tends to push up prices of food higher amid increased demand.
The Indonesian Central Bureau of Statistics, or the BPS, reported that in March 2023, annual inflation in Indonesia came in at 4.97%, much slower than the annual inflation in February of 5.4%. However, on a monthly basis, inflation came in at 0.18%, higher than monthly inflation in February. The Deputy Head of Distribution and Services Statistics, Puji Ismartini, said that the largest contributor to monthly inflation in March were food, beverage, and tobacco prices.
Penyumbang inflasi bulanan terbesar pada Maret 2023 adalah kelompok makanan, minuman, dan tembakau. Selain itu, terdapat kelompok pengeluaran yang mengalami deflasi dengan deflasi terdalam pada kelompok perumahan, air, listrik, dan bahan bakar rumah tangga. Komoditas penyumbang inflasi secara man-to-man terbesar diantaranya adalah angkutan udara, bensin, beras, cabai rawit, dan rokok kretek filter.
Although food prices continue to be a major contributor to inflation, the BPS stated that the price of rice in general were beginning to drop, especially in cities in Java and Sumatra. Out of 90 cities that were monitored, 29 cities saw a drop in the price of rice.
Secara umum, penurunan harga beras mulai banyak terjadi di kota-kota di Pulau Jawa dan Sumatera. Meskipun demikian, kota-kota di Pulau Kalimantan, Sulawesi, dan Nusa Tenggara Timur masih mengalami kenaikan harga beras. Dari 90 kota yang diamati, terdapat 29 kota yang telah mengalami penurunan harga beras, 1 kota tidak mengalami perubahan, dan 60 kota masih mengalami kenaikan harga beras. Kenaikan harga beras tertinggi tercatat di Luwuk dengan kenaikan sebesar 25,44% dibandingkan bulan sebelumnya. Sementara itu, penurunan harga beras terdalam terjadi di kota Mataram, yaitu sebesar 8,50%.
Nevertheless, when looking at the different groups of services and goods, food, beverage, and tobacco prices still had a large contribution to inflation. In fact, it was the second largest contributor at 1.57%. However, the start of the Muslim holy month of Ramadan was a large factor behind increased food prices as demand tends to rise during Ramadan. But looking at the trend, annual inflation in Indonesia has continued to slow since it hit a peak of 5.95% last September. In fact, annual inflation in March fell below 5% for the first time since August 2022.